Yeah, ntate Mthusi nna itse o ska thoma ka nna. Pele o ska thoma le go thatsha borotho baka. In this whole issue ya gago, I have been just sharing my opinions and my honest opinion. I don't know any of you guys. Le ba ba itere a ke litse. You understand? You know, thoma utlwa ditaba tsa lena now, tse di personal now, which I'm not even going to be talking about those things because I cannot any personal vendetta towards you, your wife, your ex-wife, your children. But it was a public matter, and I'm a content creator, and I will always share my opinions. But how should you tomorrow so one tlaba man? One tlaba isn't that there is re a kitilo ring and in naga spedi basadi batlompa ban. But Tom, when I'm a puller, you must be new on TikTok. Whether you must be new on TikTok. My husband, Tikanakwe, I was a Naibita Vajaya, Jacka, Chile, Papa, Kirela Mukopu healing is like Mukopu healing. I should do like a Monawak. My husband, actually, Papa, Kale. The last thing I said was that if Ujola Lemon Nawako and I did them again, Motwak, feel free. Ogas Chaven, Ugo was a boyfriend. Promise. You must be new. I just wanted to comment on your thinking. You must be very new. Oba butish. Papa tabi ngonyana.
One thing about Mthusi, will never allow anyone to drag his wife. From day one, he was there for Kamo. Even yesterday, when Kamo went live trying to explain the situation, Mthusi was there reading the comment section to see who is dragging his wife. But I don't understand why he's dragging Promise only, because there's a lot of ladies that are standing with Cookie. Most of ladies on social media are standing with Cookie and against Kamo. But the whole situation, only Cookie, Kamo, and Mthusi knows the real truth. We'll be sitting here blaming Kamo, and Cookie, she's not telling the whole truth, you know. What if Cookie saw that Kamo, she's making money on social media and people were telling her that, hi bo, your kids are being on social media being used to make money, and Cookie felt like, you know what, it is time for me to take action. What if exactly Kamo, she was using the kids to create content, you know? So we don't understand what's going on, because it is alleged that Kamo, she doesn't stay with these kids. She only go and take them and then they create a content. Right now, they are currently on a vacation, enjoying life. So also Kamo mentioned something, Kakuki, to say that Ukuki, she's not working. When she introduced herself, Ukuki says she's a nurse. But right now, Kamo mentioned something that, you know, we don't understand. So when it comes to the whole situation, only them know the real truth. We'll be here fighting for the fight that has nothing to do with us. Mthusi also has opened a TikTok account. One thing about Mthusi, he will post the Kamo. You'll post the Kamo, you'll post the kids. And people are saying that it is Kamo who's using Mthusi's account. She's the one that she's behind the account. Also, Kamo, she does post on her TikTok account, and I don't think she will back again to create content, especially if this thing it is not done. And yeah, it's very hard for her because the social media is against Kamo, and they are standing with him, with Koki. Obviously, you know that. But anyway, guys, what do you think about this situation? Who do you think is wrong here? Only the truth. At the end of the day, we will know very soon. As for now, I don't think I want to judge anyone, because I don't know Kamo's intention when it comes to this case. I don't know whether he's a great stepmother or she's pretending for content and likes. Also, Koki, guys, there are bad stepmothers, or there are good stepmother, there are bad stepmother, there are good mother, there are bad mother. We never know, guys. So anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.